Thank you, Conse, no, for that brief statement. Now, Konsyal, kindly occupy na the seat po. Then please turn the microphone off. Turn off po. Thank you. Anyone else?
Mr. Chair,
sandali po So from the council, ikaw na lang po, ma'am, kanina, ikaw na lang po. Konsyal ang magsasalita for on behalf of the council. Okay. Now, before I recognize Congressman Dante Marcoleta, let me acknowledge the presence of the Chairman, Committee on Public Order and Safety of this 19th Congress, Chairman Dan Fernandez, the next governor po of Laguna. Naka-region nyo rin po, Region 4A. Thank you for coming, boss. Though you're late again. Chairman Dan Fernandez.
Yes, thank you so much.
I will give you three minutes. Please proceed.
Thank you so much. The very intent and purpose why we have filed this resolution, Mr. Speaker,